Hello, this is a quick video discussing auto update versus manual mode. So by default, auto update is on, but one issue with that is if you open a scene that's loading. For example, if I open a recent file, as you can see right now, it's cooking and it's loading a simulation. So this might crash, it might take a while, or you might not exactly know what exactly is cooking. In this case, it's a Vellum sim that's maybe on frame 46, so it's simulating all of these frames, and I'm waiting here loading. So if I hit escape, you could see, oh, it's on frame 93. So to fix this, you could just go back to the first frame, hit escape, set this to manual. Otherwise, I could show you another solution. So to fix this problem, essentially, we want to change this auto update to manual mode, but we want this to take place before we open any scene file, regardless of where it was saved and what specific mode. So it'll just automatically set to manual every new Houdini session. So what is a way to do that? So what we could use is a Python script. If we go here, and there's a thing with Houdini called 456. It's just whenever you name a Python script 456, it'll be automatically read as soon as you open a new scene, and it'll run this before anything starts loading. So we want to save this as 456.py, and I'll show you the actual script. So I already have it here. I'll just copy and paste this. So this is importing who. The comment here is setting the global cook update mode to manual. This is the expression, and I'll paste it in the underneath the video. hou.setUpdateMode, hou.updateMode.Manual. So I'll save this. So in my case, I just saved it in my Houdini directory. So Houdini 22 projects, or before projects, and then I create a new folder here. I'll just call this scripts. And the main thing that matters is that you want to call this 456.py, and that's just the name that Houdini uses to read this script as soon as you load any new scene. So I'll save that. I could maybe also do a little print statement here. So manual mode has been set. I'll save this again. Okay. And then if we go back to open that scene that was loading, as you can see, it's already set to manual, everything loaded. It's already on that frame 93, but as you can see, nothing's loading. So this is good. So I could quickly jump in the scene and say, oh, maybe I'll put the timeline back to 1, or double check, oh, I have my Vellum solver on. Maybe I'll go back to object mode or some other geometry. And then here's our print statement. Manual mode has been set. So great. We could also change the script a little bit. So if I go back to new, close that. Let's check the script here. I was just Googling other things I could do. I wanted like a little chime when every new scene is loaded. So if sometimes Houdini takes a while to load, or if you're doing multiple things, you just want to know, oh, my Houdini is open. So there's a little statement here. Just copy it over to my other script. I'll remove this print statement. Here we go. So this is import OS. In this case, this is for Windows. Import winsound, the path to your media or sound. In this case, it's C Windows Media. This is default for Windows, and then all the default Windows sounds. I picked this ding.wav just because it wasn't too loud compared to the other ones. And then this print statement is just if the file is missing. So I'll go ahead and I'll save this. And I still keep this all in the same script, 456.py. And then I'll go back to open that recent file. You could hear the little chime, and it's on manual mode. So I could hop around maybe to another scene. This one. There we go. So this is like npm solve and nothing's loading. So that's great. It's on manual. Everything's set. This is the script again. But yeah, it's 456.py. And I just made a scripts folder. I put that inside the Houdini 22 folder. Thank you.